Wonderspace Explorers, do you know what time it is? It's time for our art activity! For today's activity, we're going to be making bookmarks, so you don't have to make those dog ears in your books. Let's get started. For this activity, you just need some card and felt pens or crayons. We're going to start with our watermelon-inspired bookmark. We're just going with simple tropical fruits. All you'll need for this activity is very simple shapes, triangles and semicircles. So you can get some semicircles, some triangles. Can flip the shapes around. Okay, I'm going to use a hole puncher to create a hole at the top. This just makes it interesting. And I'll tie a ribbon so you don't forget it at home when you're going to the library or reading a book at home. We can cut this off. There you have your first bookmark. You could even write some letters or words or a quote in between the melon shapes. Like read today. All right, our simple and easy to make bookmarks. You can play around with different patterns. Here, I was just exploring some wax print patterns, so you can explore different patterns and have fun creating your bookmarks. So let's try it out. Okay, I got to page 9 and I don't want to make any dog ears, so I'm going to use my bookmark. Yay!